You're welcome to today's class. We'll discuss about the principles of design. So now, looking at the design, what do you notice? You see that it is actually going against all of the principles we discussed in class. No alignment, there is no hierarchy, and the design is just scattered. But it's a beautiful design, but then it's scattered because it's not following design principles. So what we are going to do tonight is just to make sure we align every element in our design and arrange the design properly. That's all we are doing. Arrange the design. Ensure it's following design principles. So what I'm going to do now is to increase the size of the Davis Essential. Why am I increasing it? Because I want it to get attention. I want it to be of high priority because it's the name of the brand, so it should be seen. And so what I'm going to do is to increase the size. Okay, so and this is it. And then after increasing the size, I'm going to align it very well. Okay, you can see now it's fine now. So next thing I'm going to do, see this giving you quality for less, style, quality, affordability. This test here, they are not also aligned, so I'm going to align it also very well here and make sure there is equal space. Okay, you can see that. So Canva have made it easy for us because you now have this automatic line, automatic grid showing you that it is now aligned. You can see the purple line now is not appearing there. You can see this purple line now showing that it is what aligned, and it's actually in the same line with the others. Okay, so we are done with that. You can also use this notch here at the bottom, the notch here. Okay, you can also use that notch, the notch, to align it. You can see how it's moving gradually. It's moving gradually. Okay, you can see it's moving gradually, so you can just use the notch. Okay, and it's balanced. So the next thing we are going to do now, we deal in the services. There you can see the check mark signs. The check mark signs are not also aligned, they are not straight. You can see them here, they are not straight. So I'm going to just make them all to be straight. So I will just use my notch and make them all to be straight in one line. Okay, so you can see the grid showing that they are now in one line. So that's just the aim of our class today. Just arrange the flyer, arrange the design. Okay, so also you can see the text here, the services here: quality clothing, beautiful jewelries. They are too far away from the check marks, so I'm also going to take them closer. Okay, I'm going to take them closer to create order in the design. You get that? Yeah, I'm going to take them closer to create order. Okay, so we are done with that. Next thing now is where we have the phone number. You can see this black shape there is not also aligned, so we are going to align it by moving it to be in line with the other shapes, the other elements in the design. Okay, so we use our notch to arrange it very well. Okay, okay, so it's now aligned very well. So we'll increase the size of our phone number a little also. Okay, because we want it to be seen also. It should be seen because that is how the brand can get customers, because if they see the number, they can now call the number. So it's very, very important also that the number should be visible. So we are done arranging the text. Now look at the photos we have here. The middle photo is not in alignment with the other two photos, so we are going to click on the middle photo and use our notch to align it very well, very well. Okay, so we are going to use our notch and align it very well. Make sure they are in line. So you can see there should be equal space up and down. You can see the 53. So just okay, so just make sure they are in line. you can use your eyes to gauge it, and you can also use the automatic grid that Canva has given to us. And as you can see, we are done arranging the designs. So what you are going to do now is to save the design. When you are done arranging it, you save it. I've told us earlier how to save, so use this icon here and save it. And before you save it, you can edit the name and add your own name. Design by, edit it and add your own name, then you save using this icon. Okay, so you can see your download, and then you can also see download here. Just scroll up and you see your download here too. So you click on your download and download. So once you download your design, submit it to the WhatsApp group. Thank you so much, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified when I post other tutorials, the full tutorial for these designs. Thank you so much for watching.